Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to play around with the engine bay once again and try and figure out this welder, if it's a user error, probably is, or if the welder is actually messed up. So if you see this video on YouTube, then that means it was a success. And I guess if you don't, you'll never see me talking to the camera right now. But I'm hoping for a success. So yeah, I'm going to start with cleaning all this stuff back up. I'm gonna probably take a washer like this, put it behind like that, and then try and weld it up like that. See how that goes. But yeah, so let's get to it. You start taking it out. There you have it. That's the completed product. The whole time I wasn't recording. Yeah, I ran out of gas. I think there's something wrong with the welder. That is what it looks like now, which doesn't look bad. It was getting better once I tried to dial in all the information or the settings. But the gauges, there's either my regulator's bad or something in the actual welder is bad. Yesterday both gauges were working, today only one gauge works. And now whenever I turn on the air, it just constantly flows. It doesn't shut off whenever the trigger's undone. So I've depleted my tank. So maybe this weekend I'll go get some more. But I mean, that don't look too bad now. I'm going to take a grinder to it and try and clean it up. And we'll just work our way to that. At least it's a solid piece now and not a big hole. But yeah, so I guess you guys will be seeing this video. Sorry, it won't be much more, but I mean, you can watch me clean it up real quick and then see what it looks like afterwards. So yeah, let's do that and then we'll close out the video. So yeah, not enough penetration. The whole thing's coming back undone, which really sucks. Once again, probably user error. Most definitely user error. But yeah, I don't know. I'll get some more gas and continue to blast away at it and go at it from there. So yeah, sorry for my suckiness. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this wonderful, beautiful disaster. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.